Families want to know more about how COVID-19 can spread in the classroom, and one group of LAUSD parents even decided to take matters into their own hands. KCAL 9's Hermela Aregawi is live in Studio City this afternoon to explain. Hermela.
Hi, Susie. Yeah, both those parents and the district say they recognize that this is a work in progress and they're trying to figure out how to keep people informed and healthy with as little interruption to learning as possible. As LAUSD schools begin their second week of classes, a debate about how to gather and share data about COVID-19 cases in the district and then what to do about it. Right now, the district's website offers this COVID testing report card where parents can look up the number of currently active cases at individual schools.
When they released it last spring, we had asked them if there's a way to show it in one cumulative dashboard where you could have an at-a-glance look at all the schools in the district to see what's going on.
Rachel Wagner is part of Parents Supporting Teachers. The group released their own COVID data dashboard Sunday based on LAUSD's numbers. It looks like this, an Excel sheet that tracks cases by school, community of schools, and then displays the total number of COVID cases district-wide each day.
We heard that we see our school, but we want to be able to compare to see how it looks in our community, in other neighborhood schools, district-wide.
Alexis Rockland is not part of Parents Supporting Teachers and has a first grader at Overland Ave Elementary.
I personally think more data is better. I think that we should be able to see how cases are trending over time.
And the question is, what do you then do with that data? Rockland's son is currently under a 10-day mandatory quarantine. He and others in his class were sent home Friday morning after learning they may have been exposed to the virus.
Sunday, we received a school-wide email that said the classes that were sent home were all determined to be close contacts, based on the teacher's assessment and not wanting to specify certain kids. So my son is going to be home this week with a few online assignments here or there, but no continuity of class.
LAUSD says they are continuing to refine how they offer COVID data and their protocols based on county health guidelines. Initially, anyone that was identified as a contact of someone who tested positive had to quarantine. Today, the district, and let's pull that up, updated that guideline to say if you're vaccinated and asymptomatic, you won't necessarily be required to quarantine, but will get guidance from the district's community engagement team on what to do next. For now, live from Walter Reed Middle School, Hermela Aregawi, KCAL 9 News.